Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you can sign into X and that your email or phone is confirmed. This prevents lockouts. Once done, use a secure network and open the X app or website. Make sure you navigate to Settings, then Security or Account Access right away. You will change authentication here. Don't skip verification prompts. This gets you to the exact panel where passwords and two-step options live, so you can act immediately on the next step. You'll now create the password. Pick at least 12 characters mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing and brute force. Once chosen, type it into X's Change Password fields and confirm exactly. Mismatches cause lockouts. Make sure to use a password manager to generate and save the credential so you don't reuse or forget it. After saving, check for any recent devices, prompts, and revoke unknown sessions. This secures active logins. Finish by enabling two-factor authentication and choosing an authenticator app or SMS backup. You increase security dramatically. Once enabled, sign out other devices and update recovery email and phone to prevent hijack. Test the new password and 2FA on another device to confirm you can log back in. If something goes wrong, use recovery options immediately or contact X support. A common fix is clearing cookies or trying a password reset link, which resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.